If you want your portfolio to be safer for the long term, don't overpay in fees, because they charge you fees whether it's a good year in the market or a bad year in the market, whether things are going well or things are going poorly. And sometimes the inner fees on certain mutual funds can get more expensive in a bad year because you have to do a lot of reorganization and a lot of selling and buying that comes out of your returns. You don't have to pay them out of pocket, but there is a fee that's paid there. It's called a phantom capital gain. And it's really confusing. It's really messy. And the problem is, when we go through the grocery store, when we check out, there's this big screen in front of us that tells us what every single scanned item gives. And you look at that and you know. And then they give you a receipt, a detailed printout that says, here's exactly what you paid. It's very clear. And then in our portfolio, we get no screen to look at. We get no receipt. But at the end of the year, they send us a prospectus for every mutual fund or the variable annuity. And you're expected to read through these hundreds of pages. And what? You can't even do anything about it. The only thing you can do is sell it and not pay it again next year. It's really, really tough on the consumer. And I think that that's the whole point of the X-ray, of the free look, of the completely transparent process to say, here's exactly what you're paying. Now, I've had some people come in and we do this, and I say, you're paying nothing in fees because it's all stock. There's no mutual funds, no ETFs, no annuities. It's all stock. So it's riskier than you are, but there is nothing in fees. So that's really pretty. Question is, are you okay with the risk? And if they are, then it's the right portfolio. So it's just really about understanding and knowledge and knowing that it's not as simple as I pay 1% and I don't pay anything else. So you, as the consumer and as the person who saved the money to begin with, gets the best deal. That's the whole point of having a fiduciary, is someone who says, it's not even my money. It's your money that you worked 30 years to save. And so now I just got to make sure you get the best deal possible.